This is a face mocap test.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer any facial video data onto your Metahuman. So let's go. First things first, before we start, you have to go to your Unreal Engine version, click this little drop down menu and go to options. And in here also activate the Metahuman Creator Core data. Usually this is deactivated, just activate it, download these 5 to 6 gigabytes of additional data and then you're good to go. In your project itself, you also have to go to Edit and Plugins and search for the Metahuman and activate everything there is to it. I'm not really sure what exactly you need, but just activate all of them, restart the project, and then we can start. To create a Metahuman and edit it, we can just right click, go to Metahuman and do the Metahuman character right here. Just give it a name. Let's call this one Lucas or whatever. Double click on it and a new window will pop up with all the settings. In this tutorial, I don't show you how to modify the Metahuman. For that reason, I just take a preset. Let's take the Kelvin preset right here and wait for it to load. All right, after it's done loading, we can go to assessment to actually create the whole blueprint and whatsoever. And before doing that, we also have to create a rig. So on the top left, just click on create full rig and wait again for the auto rigging. After the rigging is done, the last thing we have to do before the assessment, we have to download the texture sources. Also click on that and wait for it to apply the texture and download them. All right, after that, we are ready to assemble our Metahuman. The assembly over here, we can choose different options. If you want to have a really cinematic view, just choose the Unreal Engine Cinematic Complete. This will use all the highest textures and the highest quality. If you want to use it for game or just for a lower resolution, you can also use the optimized version. But in my case, I use the complete version and just hit assemble. After the assembly is done, we can close this window right here. And under Metahumans, we should now have a new folder called Lucas with the blueprint, also with the face and everything we need to go on. Right now we want to bring in our video for face tracking, so we can go to Tools and click the Live Link Hub. Again, this will open up a new window, and in here we can change it from live data to Capture Manager. In here we click on Add Device and use a mono video ingest. This is just a normal video you recorded with your phone. Click on the mono video ingest and under the take directory, click on the 3 dots and search the folder where your video is stored and click choose this folder. After that, all the videos should pop up that are in the folder. In my case, I just want to use this video right here. Click on it and press add to queue. And after that, press start and this will process everything like audio, video that we can use later. After this process is done, we can also close this window again and just click on yes. And right now under Capture Manager, we should have a new import. And if we go into this folder, we have the raw capture motion data and the audio and something else. But we don't need to touch this right now. We can go in an empty folder, right click, and under Metahumans, we choose the Metahuman Performance. Double click on the face performance and under footage, we can choose the raw face mocap data we just imported. It could have another name for you, of course. And under visualization mesh, we should choose the head mesh we have exported before. So in my case, it's a SKM Lucas face mesh and just click on it, press yes. And now we are ready to process this whole data. Just click on the top left process button and wait until the capture and the whole thing is done. As you can see, this was super quick and the quality is outstanding. I have to be honest, I was shook how good it was. Just make sure if you record the video, you have good lighting and kind of good quality. But if you consider this, like it's super steady, it's super clean, perfect. After that is done, we can go to Export Animation. Just choose a folder. Let's call this something else and press save. And in here also target the same face you have selected before. So the Lucas face mesh in my case. If you want to have the head movement involved, You can do this, but if you have some body movements, you want to track it also to the character, maybe deselect this. This just means if you just want to film the head, use the head movement. If you have a whole body animation as well, you want to apply to the character, delete the head movement because then only the face gets recognized. It doesn't interfere with the rest of the body movement. In my case, I don't have a body movement for now, so I will leave this enabled and just press create. We can exit this window again, and now this animation sequence pops up and you can see the face is perfectly tracked and rigged and ready to use. If we now want to apply this to a character in our scene, we have to go to the Metahumans Lucas folder, and in here use the blueprint and drag and drop this into our scene. After that, just add in a level sequence and just drag and drop our Metahuman blueprint into the level sequencer. We don't need the Metahuman control rig, so we can delete it for the body and for the face. And now for the face movement, we can click on this little plus button, go to animation, and choose the performance we just have created. In my case, it's the face performance 2. And if we press play now, we can see the movement and everything works perfectly fine. But as you can see, we have some glitching from the head and little upper body through the whole body. That's because, as I said before, I exported it with the head movement. If you have it without the head movement, only the face moves. But to get rid of the glitching, if you have the head movement but no body movement, just apply the animation also to the body. So select the same animation. And with that, the glitching is fixed and the body also moves a little bit to your head movement. I don't have too much head movement in that video because I wanted to have it as clean as possible. But that's it. You have successfully transferred the video data onto your Metahuman. You can do this process over and over again. It gets really fast if you have the same blueprint and the same character over and over again. Just the first time setting it up, it's a little bit time consuming, but after that, the workflow is really fast. I hope you could learn something with this tutorial. If you have any questions or also want me to show how to add body movements to your Metahumans, just leave a comment, and otherwise I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.